Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about birds. So open page number 32. Chapter 3, Animals, Birds. Why it is written here animals, birds? Because birds are a large group of animals and they have backbone. Okay? Children, you must have seen different type of beautiful, colorful birds around your house and in the park where you visit daily. You must have seen different type of birds sitting on a tree like sparrow, parrot, crow, pigeon. They are commonly found that we can easily watch. Birds can be found in cold Antarctica to hot desert to oceans. They may be tiny like hummingbird and big in size like ostrich. There are more than 9,900 species of the birds in the world. मीन्स पूरे वर्ल्ड में 9,900 टाइप की बर्ड से भी ज़्यादा बर्ड्स हैं. And like other living beings, birds also like to eat food. Some birds eat grain, seed, fruits, and nectar of the flower, while some other eat flesh and small insects. Birds use their beaks and claws for getting food. Some birds can run only because of their heavy size like ostrich and kiwi. They can't fly. Some birds can fly and some have beautiful feathers like peacock. Birds are the most colorful animals on the earth, and we attract to birds by their beautiful color and sweet voice. Now it's activity time. Children, on page number 33, one activity is given. Can you identify the birds shown in the picture below? Fill their names in the blanks provided. Look, here is a picture and many birds are there. Yes, you have to fill these gaps. Okay. Number 1, picture is given. Okay, and you have to find out their names. P C K. It means this is the picture of peacock, and here is a picture of peacock. So we will write here peacock, spelling of peacock. 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 Okay. Now the next is vulture. Yes, here is vulture. Okay. vulture. Vulture. Now the third one is woodpecker. Is there woodpecker? Yes, here is woodpecker. WOOD. Wood. PECKER. Woodpecker. Crane. Yes, here is the picture of crane. Okay. CRANE. Crane. Hen. Is there hen? Yes, here is hen. 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 And the last one is 6-1 duck. And there is a duck in the pond. Okay. Let's study body parts of a bird. This is a picture of a bird. Children, all birds have feather on their body. Means their body is covered with feather. They have a pair of wings and a tail. Birds have two eyes and ears are at the behind the eyes. They have two tiny holes on their beak through which they can breathe. Children, birds have 2 feet and claws. Birds use their wings and tail for fly. Means with the help of wings and tail, birds can fly, and claws and beak help them to catch the food. Okay, and these are the body parts of a bird. Okay.